All right, welcome to part 2 of Mailbag Monday, episode 7. I hope this format is working. Leave a comment down below and let us know if you like it better this way or all in one shot. As the packages come in more and more, hopefully, in the future.
Hopefully.
I think that this format will work better to break it up and not make it so heavy. And I totally stole this idea from Joel Telling. So, all right, this is our next this is our next package, and it comes all the way from Wisconsin, and it is from Mr. Paul Cumber, and Mr. Paul is has been very kind to us. Comments regularly, is always checking in to see how we're doing, and was kind enough to send us a wonderful Christmas card this year. And now he has sent us a package, so I'm pretty excited.
Yeah.
And we're going to go ahead and cut into that without further ado. We have to get a big fat permanent marker for marking out these envelopes.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. The first ever self-addressed stamped envelope.
Do you want me to get the stickers?
I want you to not turn it over.
Can I get the stickers so I can say it?
Oh, that's adorable.
Meow.
I'm going to have to back the focus off on that just a hair.
Okay. Eat a kitty cat.
All right, next out of the bag is this awesome, I'm assuming that's a keychain, and it's got a hole punched in it. And that says Fun King 3D, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool, Paul. And Paul has sent us a couple of fidget spinners. I just want to make sure that there is no... Oh, yes, look at that. I knew there would have to be a letter in here, and it was hiding in the envelope. And that says, Hello, Fun King 3D. That's awesome.
Is it?
How are you doing? I'm doing just fine. Today I made you some stuff with my Monoprice MP Select 3D printer. We have an MP Select up over there.
Oh, hi.
I 3D print out 2 fidget spinners for the boys. The extruder at 210, the platform at 60 in green PLA and in purple PLA. Yeah, I love that shade of green.
Zach can have the green because I know his favorite color is green.
Zach's favorite color is green, and he's gonna love that.
Yeah, I'll take the purple.
These are very cool. I have to stop fidgeting. Sorry.
Purple.
The cat brown PLA. I hope you like the stuff. Paul, I love this stuff. I love getting stuff from you guys. I love seeing what you guys print and how it turns out. And plus it gives me a chance to experience other filaments. So you'll have to let me know what filaments these were.
I'm pretty sure he just said.
No, he just said PLA. I want to know brand.
Oh.
Oh. I like the stuff I 3D print for you as well. God bless you and your friend Paul Cumber. Can you send me a sticker? Oh, yeah. As well, many thanks to my new friend. PSS, there's a black keychain. I knew it was a keychain that I made on Tinkercad. I hope you don't mind mind. Why would I mind? I love it, Paul. I don't mind at all.
I think the kitty died because there's a hole in it.
Well, maybe that's just an air hole underneath.
There's a hole. The
extruder 210, the platform at 60. I'm on Facebook and Twitter as well. Yes, sir. I actually just followed you on Twitter. I think just yesterday, Paul. So thank you so much. So, Paul, with your self-addressed stamped envelope,
you, sir, get a sticker.
You get a sticker. I'll get that sent right out to you, Paul. Thank you so much. This is the first one to ever go out. This is the first self-addressed stamped envelope to go. So that's going to go out to the mailbox right away. Thank you, brother, for sending that. To all of you out there, if you want to send us something, if you want a sticker, self-addressed stamped envelope, to the address down in the description below. We love the stuff that you send us. It always ends up on the shelves behind us until they get full. Then we're going to have to start rotating stuff or put up more shelves, I guess.
Put up more shelves. Yeah.
All right. So again, if you like this format in the multiple video instead of the one big video, please let us know in the comments. If you don't like it, let us know that in the comments as well. If you're new around here, go ahead and take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated. And until next time, as always, print on.
What's in the bag?